Hello friends, my name is Kaustubh Dhakite. I am first year engineering student at MIT Academy of Engineering. Recently I have completed two courses of Linux. First one is Kali Linux and second one is Linux tutorial course under the guidance of Prajakta ma'am and Poonam ma'am. So how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox? First we have to download VirtualBox from virtualbox.org and download Kali Linux ISO file from kali.org. Once VirtualBox and Kali Linux ISO file downloaded, then double click on the VirtualBox and follow the screen instruction to install. Now finish the setup of VirtualBox and you can see the user interface of VirtualBox. Now create a new virtual machine for Kali Linux. Open VirtualBox and click Add New. Now the folder and choose the location where the stored VirtualBox file. Then select the Kali Linux ISO file from the drive. Click on Next. Allocate RAM and CPU core on or Kali Linux at least 4 GB RAM and 2 core required for Kali Linux. Then click on Next. This will be summary and click on Finish. Now you can see login screen. Click on username and enter password. Go view and select full screen mode to full screen. Now Kali Linux installation and setup are successful. Now we have done creating Kali Linux virtual machine. Then click on settings. Now select the storage from the sidebar. Go to the under controller ID and click on empty. Click the disk icon and select choose disk file. Then load the download Kali ISO and then click on network. Set the adapter to bridge adapter and click OK. Now click on the start button. Choose the graphical install and press enter key to boot the Kali. Now create a user account and password. Close guide and enter disk. Click the GNOME desktop and then continue. The installation will take 15 to 30 minutes. Click the virtual drive and continue. Once the installation will complete, click on the continue to reboot. So we've seen how to install Kali Linux. So let's see a comprehensive look at Linux and Kali Linux. We started the course by learning about Linux fascinating history from its root. We explore a variety of Linux distributions like Fedora, Ubuntu. We discover what makes Linux unique, its open source foundation, strong security, and powerful command line interference. We explore basic command of Linux like mkdir to make directory, cd to change directory, and touch command to make file, and so. The power of Kali. The course delves into Kali Linux, a powerful tool for security testing and ethical hacking. Understanding the Linux operating system. What is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system known for its stability, security, and flexibility. Distribution galore. There are numerous Linux distributions available, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian, each catering to the specific need. But Ubuntu is one of the most famous distribution of Linux. Importance in today's world. Linux powers everything from servers and supercomputer to embedded system and mobile devices. Essential Linux commands, a practical guide. ls command, navigating and listing. ls command is used to list file and directories. Second one is cd command, changing directories, move to different directory. Third command is mkdir. This command is used to create directory. Mastering user and permission management. User account. Understanding user account and group is crucial for system security. We explore the importance of user account and group in maintaining system security and managing access control. This includes learning how to create and modify and manage account, set permission, and enforce best practice for securing user data. Permission. Permission control access to file and directories, preventing unauthorized access. We learn how file and directory permissions in Linux define who can read, write, and execute, ensuring robust access and control and security. Networking with Linux, a deeper dive. Network configuration. We learn how to configure network interfaces and manage IP addresses. We gain practical skill in setting up network interfaces, assigning IP addresses, and managing connectivity for Linux system. Second one is network services. We explore key network services like DNH, DHCP, and SSH. Third one is troubleshooting. We gain practical skill for troubleshooting network and connectivity issues. We develop hands-on expertise in diagnosing and resolving network connectivity issues using Linux tools and commands. Kali Linux, the ethical hackers toolkit. Kali Linux is a specialized distribution designed for penetration testing and security auditing. Kali comes equipped with vast array of toolkit like Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit. We learn how to use these tools responsibly to identify vulnerabilities and improper security. Security testing and ethical hacking. This is a pyramid diagram. First part of the diagram is information gathering. The first step involves gathering information about the targeted system. Second step is vulnerability scanning, identifying potential weakness in system security. Third one is exploitation, testing vulnerabilities to see if they can be exploited. And fourth and final one is reporting, documenting finding and providing recommendation for the remediation. Real-world applications of Linux and Kali. First one is system administration, managing servers, deploying application and ensuring system security. In this, we learn to manage servers, deploy application efficiently and implement measures to ensure robust system security. Second one is cybersecurity, conducting penetration, testing vulnerabilities and assessment and incident response. Third one is DevOps, automating tasks, managing infrastructure and building scalable applications. So the last one is key takeaways and path forward. What I learned from these courses. First one is Linux mastery. Linux is an incredibly powerful and versatile operating system. Second one is security awareness. Understanding security principle is essential in today's digital world. Third one is continuous learning. The world of technology is constantly evolving. With Linux constantly evolving, we emphasize that the importance of staying up to date on new tools, features, and best practices to remain proficient. So, learning Linux is very crucial. Thank you. So from this course, I get to know that Linux is powerful open source operating system and it's widely used in supercomputers, cybersecurity, servers, etc. Its adaptability ensures a promising future in emerging fields like cybersecurity, IoT, DevOps, etc. Thank you.